Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ProfitWell Metrics Review My Usage Experience. ProfitWell Metrics Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive suite of tools for analyzing subscription metrics and understanding the health of your recurring revenue business. It's primarily aimed at SaaS companies and businesses with subscription-based models, providing insights into churn, MRR, LTV, and other key performance indicators. Key features include customizable dashboards, insightful reports, and integrations with other business tools. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Their website details different pricing tiers, offering transparency around costs. They emphasize ease of use and integration with popular platforms. The service uses a robust data analysis engine to deliver accurate and timely insights. Availability is based on subscription. You can check their website for more information. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ProfitWell Metrics Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, with clear instructions and helpful tutorials. I connected my Stripe account within minutes, and the data started populating the dashboard almost instantly. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard is clearly organized, allowing me to easily access the key metrics I needed, like monthly recurring revenue, MRR, and churn rate. I particularly appreciated the ability to create custom reports focusing on specific segments of my customer base. The performance was excellent. Data updates were consistently fast and reliable. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a helpful explanation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the ability to forecast future MRR based on historical data. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which sometimes made checking my metrics on the go a bit inconvenient. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced segmentation features, but once I understood them, they became incredibly powerful tools. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ProfitWell Metrics Review My Usage Experience. It has significantly improved my understanding of my subscription business and helped me make more data-driven decisions. That's my overview of ProfitWell Metrics Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.